Alright, so we're making an Ethernet cable. First thing you want to do is cut it. Basically, you're cutting it to the length that you want. Then we need to strip the sheathing off of it. So there's a strip part, and you're just rolling the cable around on the blade. And what that does is cut it so that it can pull off of the wiring. Alright, then you have this little pull string on the inside. You want to go ahead and cut that too. And then you have your 4 pairs of wires. We need all of these wires, but first what we must do is untwist them. And while I'm untwisting them, I'm also straightening them by pulling from the bottom up. And while I'm doing this, I'm also putting them in the order that they're going to go in. And after that, I'm just giving it a wiggle and a tug. That just basically puts them all in line, puts them all flat. And I'm going to cut them so that they're all the same length, like so. Then you're going to want to take the head of the RJ45 connector. That's what these are called. You want to do it with the gold teeth facing up. And then you want to slide the wires in with the white wire starting first and the brown wire as the last one. You want to make sure they stay in order. You can look at it, count. The even numbers are solid colors. The odd numbers are the white ones. So that's a good way of counting them. Then after that, you want to crimp it down. And that makes it so it doesn't come apart. And now you have an Ethernet wire.